All right, what up, y'all? So, vet day, not my vet, but still a vet day. So, we are replacing these side marker lights with some LED ones that we got over here. Got this down, but yeah, got some smoked marker lights. I think these are from Vet Lights or somebody. Got them off of eBay. So, these up front, we got these little screws to get out, or push in tabs. And I think there's some in there in the wheel well just to bend this back. And on the back, we got a Torx bit up here. We'll just take this tail light out, and then we should be able to reach inside and pop this out. And there's no screws holding these in, just these little push in tabs. So should be pretty simple. Now, I said it was easy to do, which it is. The issue is it's not that easy to reach. So this the tub or whatever for the trunk goes kind of wide. So like I said, it is easy to reach, but I mean, it is easy to do, hard to reach. So if you can see my finger, this one right here and that up there, that is where you need to be pushing. So just give you an idea of about how far you need to be. All right, so my finger is right there at the outermost one, which you have to push it that way towards the front of the car. This back one you have to, am I right? Yeah. This back one, you have to kind of pull it back towards you. So with my finger at the front one pushing it, this is where my arm is. So I'm pretty much elbow deep in here. So, and not a whole lot of room to wiggle my hand back and forth like that. So just a heads up, maybe you need to use like a long screwdriver or something, you know, if your arm a little bit thicker. But yeah, easy to do, a little hard to reach. So all we gotta do now is pop this bulb out, which, where am I at? Yeah, looking like it was on the way out the door anyway. So we find the back marker, which this is a passenger side. This is another yellow. So and they come with about that, so it's color coded. So yellow sticker means the front, red sticker means the back. So that's the passenger side, red, yellow. This is what we need. So red sticker, right shape, match that. So all we do, this little plug right here plugs in where the bulb went. Plug it in, test it out. If it doesn't work, unplug it, plug it the other way, because polarity matters on these. So make sure you get it right before you put everything back together. Just test it out first. And then once you get that, you just press it in and just snap it in. So I got the marker lights on just for a test. So old and the new. Now I can snap that back in and put this tail light back on. Oh yeah, and before you put it back in, make sure you put this in here and lock that back in place. Don't just leave the wires hanging, because then you leave room for water and dirt and everything to get in there and mess with your electricals. So plug that up first, and then you can just snap this in place. Make sure you got it to where your plastic can come off. And there we go. So perfectly installed, not coming out. Now next up is the front, which you got to pull all of that out. So we'll get to that in a second. Let me do this other back tail light. Back light. Just in case you needed a reminder that sometimes the world lies to you. Lefty should be loosey, and righty should be tighty. But apparently on this side, righty is loosey. Go figure. All right, so the front, same deal. Got this in. This was already gone, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 that I had to take out. And you should be able to reach in and pop this out. So same deal. The back one, you push it towards the back. The front one, you push it towards the front. And then you're out, and you just snap the new one in after you put this part back into here. All right, so this is the end of this little video. So pretty simple upgrade to do if you have a C6. And I'll put a link in the description of the lights that I used, just in case you want to, check them out for yourself. But yeah, pretty simple install. Doesn't take long, 20-30 minutes, and you're in the game. And yeah, I know I still got the plastic on all of these. I got the car for another day or so to do some other lights, so I'm not gonna take this off until he comes to pick it up. And next up is putting some lights behind this vent. So that'll be another video when I figure out how exactly I'm gonna do it. Hopefully I can reach it pretty good through here. But yeah, we're gonna see. But that'll be part 2 or part 3 of this video, because I still got to take this stuff apart and replace these 2 rings since the rings went out. So, well, halfway went out. But again, another video for another time for y'all. But yeah, that's it for this one. So stick around for the rest of it.